Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's review, we have wrapped up May, so the final trading day of May behind us, and as we get into the fresh month, there's a little bit of me that would like to see a little more information before making my next round of decisions. Obviously, the market has generally been strong, but has also seen plenty of two-sided trade, right? You can see back through here where we got our reversal arrow, and that did give you several solid days of downside. Very similar bearish signal back here, and at today's close, that signal populates once again. So there's absolutely the chance of more downside into Thursday and Friday, but I'm really not trying to call for that just yet. I'm going to see kind of how the first 30 minutes of the day look and work on making my next round of decisions from there. In previous videos that I've done with you through this venue, you'll remember that we've been looking for Apple up into 180.65. So as you get closer to that target, of course, the risk reward becomes less favorable to keep pushing for that target. But all the same, that is the level that I think Apple is going to be seeking out. And that's a big part of what we have to look to on Thursday morning to say, when we looked at this before, we were bullish back in here. Now that we've seen today's move, you'll notice that it was just inside the range of Tuesday's session. So is Thursday more of that and something that wants to print above 179.35? Well, if so, and then bulls will have the upper hand and I think can move up into that target. But that's just one piece of the puzzle. Again, other pieces of our review have been here in the crypto market, where we were discussing the move that appeared to be corrective from swing high to swing low, and then measuring that through this correction that has then gone on to double bottom. And just as we looked at those reversal arrows for sell signals in SPY, here we have reversal arrows that are giving us buy signals in Bitcoin. So again, these are markets that I was trying to allude to the process of the bottoming last week. We're seeing more confirmations of that now, also through Ethereum. So I think these are markets to start working kind of the accumulation. Again, would consider myself wrong, or at least need to reassess back below those lows made on the 12th. But everything above that should be range bound, compression, build up that position, and then ideally we get to take profits in 4 to 6 weeks, somewhere up around 2,400. So I hope that helps across a couple of broad markets. Let's see how June opens up, and then we will take it from there. So y'all have a great night, and hope to see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.